Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and in this video I am reviewing a website, Cosmic Crystal Visions, and I'm on a home page. I really love that it is quite consistent with the colors. So it is a purple template, so the header is purple, logo is purple, which is quite nice. The menu font is slightly like darker purple color, and obviously it matches with your product colors, which is great. I would love to see your logo, which is beautiful. I can see this little detail here. It's absolutely beautiful. Maybe a little bit larger. Maybe you can enlarge it without taking the space in the headers, because the I know what you wanted to make it smaller to obviously to reduce the size of the header, but perhaps you can crop the image so it's quite close to the text, and then displayed in a little bit larger format so people can see the detail, because I assume these are like beautiful crystals, but it's really difficult to see this intricate detail when it's such a small image. When it comes to the top navigation, I love that you've got shop, so it's a call to action tone of voice, which is great. It improves the click-through rate, it improves the customer navigation. Okay, I couldn't really close, but I'll go back to the home page. So the sliding images look great, and you've got a shop going directly to the product, so it's good that it doesn't link like to the collection page, because it's more lazy and you wouldn't convert as well as if you linked to the product. Make sure to add short introduction, short description to the image. For example, you can add that it is amethyst cylinder, so people know what it is. It creates this kind of maybe a little bit stronger connection for people, so they know right away. It's like you go into the shop and not seeing the prices under the product or the product description if you are looking at some kind of unfamiliar items to you. You obviously always look for the tag to see what it is. So if you can't see it, it's a little bit like secretive way, but it doesn't help with your conversion rate. So make sure to add short description like jade forest pendant, which is a beautiful name, and people know right away that this is a jade, that this is a pendant. If they wanted to view it, they can click shop and then obviously view your product. Okay, you've got some information about the giveaway, which is great, which is fantastic. I'm not sure if the font has to be this big. I think it's H1, so heading tag H1, which works best for the titles. For example, just the first line, it doesn't work very well, doesn't look very professional if you use for the whole paragraph. So you can just use for the short title, for example, monthly giveaway, or join our monthly giveaway as a H1 tag title, and then obviously include more information using normal paragraph font. Just like here, you've got title and then paragraph font. Okay, you are telling a little bit more about your products, which is fantastic. Okay, so that's great. So people can learn a little bit more about what they can find in your store, which is great. You've got featured collections. Okay, that looks really nice. Also make sure that the text, for example, if you see those featured collections here, the text against the image it disappears at the end, because it is a white colored font and it disappears against the white background. So make sure to optimize the images a little bit better so the text is not obstructed. Featured jewelry, those beautiful pieces. Baltic amber pendant. It's really nice. Healing crystals for anxiety. Okay, so this is blog post about healing crystal. It's fantastic. Okay, I've got Instagram feed. Okay, you've got quite a long homepage. Longer pages always work best for SEO, and you've got plenty of engaging content, which is inviting people to browse. And it is really good because the longer people stay on your website, the higher you rank, because people pays a lot of attention to how long people spend on your website, how long time people spend on your website. Obviously, if they spend a lot of time on your website, Google assumes that they found your site valuable, so it will rank you higher in the search results. When it comes to the footer, consider adding a navigation here, so someone can jump right back to your shop collection or to your other page, so they don't have to scroll back up. It's a great idea. It's a great sort of user experience strategy. Okay, I'll check your collection page. Okay, collection page, because you've got paragraph, welcome paragraph. It means that the products on your collection page are a little bit pushed down. So consider maybe writing a little bit shorter collection, because it would be great to show your products right away above the fold, which is above the fold. It's the first screen as people load the page. So if you show the products above the fold, people can engage better with your page and can click right away without scrolling down. Your products look very interesting. Consider also cropping the images to the same dimensions. So if all images have the same dimensions, for example, they are perfectly square, you would have titles displayed in one line, because the images will be displayed in one line, which will give you more polished, more professional look. Okay, let's have a look at one of your products. Apache tiers £1. So Apache tiers £1. When you think about it from the SEO point of view, it doesn't really tell Google what it is, because Apache tiers, it is very it's a very creative name, but it doesn't really let people know who find you or who found this listing on Google, and doesn't let Google know what it is. So make sure to be a little bit more specific with your product titles. If you don't want to display longer product titles on your website, because many store owners don't want to do that, consider writing alternative SEO titles for your product. So it means these SEO titles, which are called meta titles, will be displayed in Google Snippet, which is your site listing in Google. So Google pays more attention to the meta titles, so make sure to add more details to the meta title. Okay, for example, you can add black obsidian or black natural volcanic glass Apache tiers, which is definitely more SEO friendly, because people know and Google knows what it is. So volcanic glass, natural volcanic glass. Tiers from natural volcanic glass. Okay. But apart from that, it looks good. Maybe I would love to see the product page template displayed in a way that the image is on the left hand side, the product title is on the right hand side, right next to the image, and then the quantity box, price, and add to cart are displayed right below the product title, which means the add to cart button will be displayed above the fold, so people don't have to scroll down to see the product image. They don't have to scroll down to see the add to cart button, and this alone can help you improve your conversion rate. So the more it's a good rule to display the most important elements of your page above the fold, and obviously add to cart and product image are the most important when it comes to the product template. So make sure to change the template design. You don't have to change the whole obviously website template in order to do it. If you love this website template, you can hire Shopify partner or Shopify expert to help you customize your product page template, which doesn't take that long and it shouldn't really cost that much. So make sure to sort it out because it will help you with your conversion rate. Okay. Right, I'm going to check About Us page. Okay, About Us page, so you've got photo of your team, which is fantastic. So it adds trust. Obviously, people love to shop from brands they're familiar with. They love to know who's selling to them. So putting your photos on About Us page creates this kind of trust, and it can definitely help you improve your conversion rate, which is fantastic. Family-owned business, grandmother, I have a wide personal experience of metaphysical activities. Okay, so that's fantastic. So it adds trust to your knowledge of the products you are selling. So this is very, very strong signal for people to know that you understand the power of the crystals, and you can recommend, and they can trust your opinion, and they can trust your recommendation. So that it's fantastic. Okay, it would be great to improve the styling of this page. For example, you've got double break between those two paragraphs, and you've got double break between those two paragraphs, and only single break here. So okay, went back for some reason. So make sure to improve this page. Okay, and make it more SEO friendly. For example, you can add H tags. So these are SEO friendly heading tags between the paragraphs. You can add internal and external links, which improve your navigation and your customer journey. You can also add bolded key phrases, which also help SEO. And don't forget to add, obviously, alt tags to your images. Don't forget to add a link tags once you add the links, because it also counts as part of your SEO optimization. When it comes to Contact Us page, I'll see how it looks like. Okay, so you've got email address here, which is great. You've got message form, looking good. Okay, so this is hyperlinked, which is fantastic. I'm not using really any of those programs. Okay, frequently asked questions, crystal definitions. Okay, shipping within USA is free. Ship within 1 business day. So this is all key information within the first paragraph, which is fantastic. Credit cards, PayPal, and Stripe. How do I contact you? It's fantastic. It's really, really good. A really, really good, informative, and unique page. Really fantastic. Okay, crystal definitions. So this is really helpful. For example, if someone doesn't know a lot about crystals but want to try one, that is really great that you've got this kind of page. Okay, you've got plenty of content, which is great. It would be good to make this page a little bit like readable, maybe user friendly. So perhaps add images of between each paragraph. So you show the images of each each crystal before the description. Make sure to link to appropriate products as well, and add some kind of text breaks, because it's like a long block of text which can be a little bit difficult for people to find the necessary info. Luckily, you've got everything in alphabetical order. But consider, for example, adding anchor text. So anchor texts are this kind of hyperlinked text that you link from the top of the page. So you can have this link activated and you can link it from the top of the page. So you've got a list of all the crystals at the top, and people can click on each one and then jump right away to the relevant crystal or to the relevant definition. And this way you will make this page a little bit more user-friendly. And more user-friendliness is also quite important as your ranking for Google. So the more your website is user-friendly, the higher your rank. So make sure to work on that as well. Okay, your blog posts. Okay. Okay, for some reason it takes me to an external page. I assume this is your WordPress blog, which opens in the same window. So consider using the blog that is part of Shopify, because it's much better to have this kind of content on your website. Blogging is important, but what's more important is to have this content on your website. This is very, very good value for your site if you add fresh content on a regular basis. And having more content on your own site can help you improve your Google rank. If you have this content on external website, it doesn't do anything really when it comes to improving your own website Google rank, especially that this link opens in the same tab, so you can lose the traffic from your own website, because as soon as people click on this link, they obviously disappear from your site, because your website closes automatically. So make sure to use blog within Shopify to publish the posts on your own website. Don't move the posts to your website, or don't remove your WordPress blog, but make sure to post from now on a blog within your website. Okay, when it comes to testimonials. Okay, you've got plenty of feedback here, which is fantastic. Okay, really good. I'll just check if your social media open in new tabs. They don't, so make sure to open them in new tabs. It's very easy to open all external links in new tabs. Basically, you go to Google and then you search for open external links in new tabs, Shopify. Basically, it's like a really short code that you input into your theme, and then all external links are automatically opened in a new tab. So you go to your theme editing section, locate one of those, either theme.js, theme.js liquid, or custom.js, and then paste this short code at the very bottom of the file, click save, and that's all. So basically this is very easy to implement, so make sure to do it. Okay, your Facebook profile has got plenty of content. You post regularly, which is great, which is fantastic. Your Pinterest profile also looks great. You've got plenty of pins related to your niche, which is fantastic. Okay, your Instagram profile looks good as well. You've got plenty of followers. You've got lots of engagement, which is great. Okay, looking good. Okay, you've got longer descriptions, you've got plenty of hashtags, which is really, really fantastic. So that's really good. Your social media pages look really good. I'm just going to check your SEO quickly. Your SEO score, if there are anything out of the ordinary that needs your attention. No, 64 is very, very good score. 64 out of 100. Description: a free SEO tool for content. What did I do? Okay, I am not doing it correctly. So I need to copy your web address and then paste it here and then analyze, because so far it analyzed its own website. SEO web page analyze its own website. Okay, 53. It is still very good score. 53 out of 100. Natural healing crystals and more. Cosmic crystal visions. That's really good title. I like it. Located in historic St. Augustine, Florida, Cosmic Crystal Visions offers an array of hand-selected natural healing crystals. So that's good. You tell about the benefits, for example, natural healing. You tell where you are located, which adds trust. So that's really fantastic. Heading tags look good. Price, product, shop. The keyword density could be a little bit better. For example, you could rank for keywords such as crystals, natural healing, and so on. But it's obviously you can work on that. But there's nothing that is really screaming for attention. So obviously you can improve your SEO over time, and you will once you start adding more blog posts, publish them on your website, and obviously optimize your pages. So I hope you found this video useful, and thank you again for leaving the 5-star review on our Trustpilot. Thank you so much. Bye.